Welcome to our channel. If your region's bank debit card is lost or stolen, it is crucial to report it immediately to protect your account from unauthorized transactions. Follow these step-by-step instructions to secure your account. Step 1. As soon as you realize your card is lost or stolen, call Regions Bank customer service at 1-800-734-4667. This number is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for emergency situations. Step 2. When you call, inform the representative that your debit card is lost or stolen. They will ask for your account information and personal details to verify your identity. Step 3. The representative will immediately deactivate your lost or stolen card to prevent any further unauthorized transactions. This action protects your account from fraud. Step 4. Request a replacement debit card. Regions Bank will issue a new card with a different card number and send it to your mailing address on file. Replacement cards typically arrive within 7 to 10 business days. Step 5. If you need access to cash immediately, ask the representative about emergency cash options or visit a local Regions Bank branch with your identification to withdraw funds directly from your account. Step 6. Review your recent account transactions to identify any unauthorized charges made before you reported the card as lost or stolen. If you find suspicious activity, report it to the representative immediately. Step 7. Regions Bank will investigate any fraudulent transactions and typically reimburse your account for unauthorized charges according to their fraud protection policies. Step 8. Once you receive your new debit card, activate it by calling the number provided or using the Regions mobile app. Update any automatic payments or subscriptions linked to your old card number to avoid disruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.